So there is the mobile of OnePlus, and what problems are you having to face in this mobile? Here I click on set screen lock. Pattern, pin, password, anything you can suck. Whatever you want, okay. I have clicked on numeric. Here you have to wait for some 5 seconds. After that you will click on next. Now I will change any pin here. Okay, then from here I will click on use and enter the same pin again. Here I will 000 and 00 see the screen. Luck was already changed. This message is coming. You are having to face this problem a lot, and a lot of your comments are also coming for it. Once I show again from here, I suck the pattern. Okay, here again you have to do 5-second wait. Then you click on next here. Any pattern you draw. Let me draw this simple pattern. Okay, I will draw again in the same pattern. Okay, screen lock was already changed. This message is coming and you have to face this problem in the mobile of Oppo, Realme and Oppo. Well, at the moment, friends, I have a review of OnePlus. Well, and I will tell you about why this problem is having to face. Alright, folks, the device's FRP has been circumvented. Post bypass, setting a pattern, pin, password, or adding a Gmail account is not possible. Let me demonstrate again. Simple dial 31213, okay? We'll re-enter the same pin 1PO3120. Screen lock was already changed. Okay. Now let us come back. Here I simple device, I connected to Wi-Fi. I open the Play Store, there is an option to sign in. I click on this. Okay, now pay attention here, friends. There is no option to create a Gmail account. See, the create option is not coming anywhere. Here pay is talking about entering Gmail account directly, and here there is the option of pay forget email, and after that there is the option of next. There is no option of create account anywhere here. This is because, friends, this device has been bypassed. Alright, if you bypass the SRP of any OnePlus mobile in the latest security, then note, friends, if the software of your device is up to date from Android 15, then in this condition, you will not be able to add any Gmail account in this device nor in this device. Any pattern will be able to set pin password. Okay, once again, let me show you. Let me do the alpha from here. Okay, we will do the wait for 5 seconds here. Then next, okay, any 4-digit here I enter. Then okay, I will use. Again, we will enter here and then we will do okay. Okay, screen lock was already changed. This message is coming. Okay, what is the solution to this problem? I will tell you in this video. Please don't skip the video. Before this, friends, this dial pad will be watched step by step. I'll open it. Okay, here I click dialing a code. You get *899# OK. After dialing this code, you will see the software version. You will click on it. All the details of your device. That means the software information of your device will show here. See the model number here. It is written at the top. You will Google it. Then the model number will be known. And see what is the Android version in this device. You can see the Android version of the device is absolutely the latest device. Our Android 15 is up to date, and because of this, you are having to face problems in this device. In these cases, you will reset this device. Then you will see your device will be FR locked again. Once I confirm again, I will confirm the model to you. Come in the settings. Okay, from here we will go back. We will click on about device, see the model. Number OnePlus Note CE4 5G OK will come down. So friends can see the CPH of the device is 2613. And if I talk about its version, then here I will click on the version and see the software of the device. You can see exactly the latest device is up to date from our Android 15 if you have OnePlus, Realme or Oppo device. And the software of your device is up to date from Android 15. And if you bypass the device's FRP, then note that you will not be able to set any pattern pin password in your device, nor will you be able to create a Gmail account. I hope all your doubts have been cleared up after watching this video. Now, how to fix this problem, I'm going to tell you in this video, so please don't skip the video. I will watch step by step. Now here, friends, I have come. Watch the video from here very carefully on the screen of my laptop. See, friends, the first thing you have to do is install the USB driver according to the chipset of your device in your laptop or PC. If you have not installed the driver, your device will not connect to your PC. Now you need a flash file. So flash files are different flash files of different devices, and the flash file of this device I have already downloaded. If this is a zip file, then first of all, we will extract it by using WinRAR or by using 7-zip. Okay? One more thing to note, friends. If you have installed any antivirus in your laptop, then first of all, you should also disable the antivirus. Now here, friends, I have opened the device manager by right-clicking on the window. Device manager, so that we first connect the device to the PC and check the port, i.e. whether the device is connecting to our PC or not, okay? As soon as the device is connected to the PC, the device manager here will show the port in the device manager. Whatever the chipset will be, the port will show here. Now let me tell you how to connect the device to the PC. First, you have to turn off the mobile completely. Okay, after that, you have to press and hold both the volume up and down buttons together, and after that, only have to apply. As soon as you will insert the cable, friends, you will see in the device manager, whichever is the chipset of your device, that port of Qualcomm or empty will show here. Then first I check the port, then here, friends. Volume up and down, both the buttons by pressing. I installed the cable, and as soon as I installed the cable, port COM LPT and the Qualcomm port seen here started showing. That is, the device is connecting to our PC in this proper way. I have installed the driver properly. The file is currently being tracked. Let's wait till it is tracked. Then now its flash file has been tracked by us, and here's the flash file. And here you will get to see the version info. You can see it by double clicking on it. You will see all the details of this file. Okay, now we need Flash Tool, friends. So for this, I will open the browser and I have pasted the link of the service tool, which we will flash here. And first of all, we will download the Flash Tool. So here I will show you. Here you can see this Flash Tool is being downloaded. Okay, our Flash Tool has been downloaded. So now we open the Flash Tool. Where did the Flash Tool go? Here it is, here it is. I open it by double clicking. We will click on more info. We will click on run anyway and see this flash has opened. Okay, now I have to sign in here. I have ID and password. Here I will click on sign in. In a few seconds, this tool will be fully opened and a list of many models will be shown here. Okay, then see this tool has been opened. Now friends, I have placed the flash file in this location. Here I have placed the flash file on the desktop, then this. I will import in this Flash Tool. Okay, so here by clicking on import farmer, I have placed the flash file at that location. I will suck it and flash files will start adding here. Okay, from here I will do OK and click on switch to flash. Then the flash file here will start loading. Okay? So now friends, how to connect the device to the PC? Let me tell you its processor. First of all, what you have to do is switch off the mobile completely. Okay? To switch off the volume off and power button, you press and keep both these buttons together and first of all turn it off completely. Okay, the device is powered off. Now what should you do to simplify, friends? Volume. You have to press both the up and down buttons. Okay, so look, I press these two buttons. After pressing OK, you simply have to insert the cable. As soon as I insert the cable, you will see in the device manager. Your device will be connected to the PC. PE call will show less port there. Okay, and see this. I pressed both buttons and I put this cable in. Okay. As soon as you put the cable, friends, you can see that the flash has started there and you can see that Qualcomm is showing the port in the device manager. Okay, now pay attention. Now you have to keep this device simply like this. Okay, now let's take a look at one thing here, guys. Your device should not be disconnected from the PC while the flashing processor is running. If your device is disconnected in these cases, then there may be a problem in the device. Your device may be dead or there may be a hang-on logo. So please pay special attention to this. The device should not be disconnected from your PC or disconnected from a laptop under any condition. So friends, the flash processor has already started. Now you have to wait. As soon as the flashing is complete, until it is 100% complete, you will see your device will turn on automatically. And the Qualcomm port that is showing there will also be automatically removed from there. The device will turn on automatically. One thing to note, guys, this flashing processor you are looking at, it is a completely paid service. There is no free service at all. So please discuss the charges once before getting flashing done. Currently, the price of Oppo and Oppo Plus is quite high and the price of Realme is low. Friends, if you have an Oppo, OnePlus or Realme device and if the software of your device is up to date from Android 15 and if you have bypassed the FRP of your device, then in this condition you will not have a pattern pin password in your device. You will not be able to set up or add any Gmail account to your device. What's the solution? In this video I told step by step. I hope you will like the video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to like and support the channel to get continuous notifications of such wonderful, interesting videos. Subscribe. If you are also facing this type of problem, then you can contact me for this. My contact details are available in the description box. Now you can see, friends, flashing is on our last stage as if it will be 100% complete. You will see that your device will be turned on automatically. Now here you can see friends flashing is 100% complete, and see as soon as it is 100% complete, you can see our device has turned on automatically. Okay, now friends, now only you can disconnect this USB. Okay, so from here I disconnect the USB cable. Okay, and now friends, you will pay attention. Few seconds you have to wait, your device will be on, and when the device is on, you will see. Friends, the problem you are having to face, you will not have to face that problem here. A pattern PIN password will also be set in your device, and a Gmail account will also be successfully added to your device. The device has been flashed, so it will take some time to get started. You wait until it is fully on. Now see here. Friends, the device has been completely turned on after a reboot. Okay, now I will show you the complete setup. Friends, you will see that the pattern PIN or password which was not being set in this device will be completely set. Alright, see, the device is fully on. Now here I am doing the complete setup. Please watch the video in full. Okay, now next, from here, I did next. Let's do it again. Okay, the FR of the device has been removed from here. So I'm going to click skip. Here, I will not connect the device to Wi-Fi. Okay, you can set the pattern PIN password from this as well. Let me set it from this, or I click on the password, or I cancel it. I will go directly to the settings and set it and show you so that you do not have doubts. From here, I skip, okay, more, accept, next, agree, done. Okay, let's go. Okay, the device is on. Now we will go directly to the main settings of the device. So from here, I come to the settings. Okay, let's come down from here, friends, security and privacy. We will click on this. Okay, from here, I cut it. Dismiss. Okay, set screen lock option has come. I will click on this. Pattern PIN password. Whatever you want, you can suck it here. Okay, I have sucked the pattern at the moment. From here, I will click on simple next. I will draw any pattern. Let me draw this pattern again in the same pattern. No message will come here. See, the pattern is set. From here, I will cancel it. Okay, from here, I will lock the device. Okay, and see this. The pattern has been set in the device, right? This is the problem you had to face, and how do I fix this problem? I told you in this video. Okay, let's talk about a good Gmail account. So here, I will first connect the device to Wi-Fi and will also show you the Gmail account. A Gmail account will also be added. Earlier, the option of create account was not coming, but now, friends, the option of create account will come. Okay, here I connect to Wi-Fi, open the Play Store, click on sign in. It will take some time here. I will verify this pattern which I entered. Now you will see, friends, that the option of create account was not coming. That option will come here. Okay, and see this email account, Fergate email, and this option was not coming here. You can see the option of create account, the option of successfully create account has arrived. Okay, then pay attention, friends. In the latest security, if the software of your device is up to date from Android 15, and if you bypass the device's FRP, then you will not be able to set the pattern PIN password in this device after bypassing. Bypass is not a permanent solution. You simply need to flash this device, full flash processor. I have explained step by step in this video. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, please share it as much as possible. Don't forget to like and support the channel quickly to get continuous notifications of such wonderful, interesting videos. Subscribe. If you have any questions related to the video, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you are facing this problem, please contact me. My contact details are available in the description box. Thanks for watching this video.